What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and today is a case video. Now today we got something a little different, guys. We got a case. Y'all know I've been rocking with the aramid fiber type cases, the minimal type cases, and just that really fine aramid fiber, carbon fiber, Kevlar type texture. So a lot of people like those cases also, I noticed, but they complained about the price point. So I just did a little experiment to see what the difference was. Today I bought the cheapest carbon fiber case that I could find on Amazon for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you can see, this is from a company called X Level Super Lab. Now this case cost me $13.99. It was on sale, but it's a regular $15.99 carbon fiber case, and this is the packaging right here. So you can see not a lot of packaging going on, of course, because it's a cheaper price point, so they got to cut corners. Take a look at the back, and it says exclusive new equipment for your beloved smartphone. And you can check them out on all their socials, guys. So not much packaging going on here, so let's just get it out and see what it's looking like. While we do have an actual carbon fiber, definitely carbon fiber look on this thing, guys. It's got the nice pattern, like we'll have the nice weaving on the back of this case. Now I will say the texture is very smooth. It's not a super authentic feeling carbon fiber case. Like it's kind of smooth. I like when I feel the weaving. Like the texture don't feel the same as the back of the case look, but it's definitely giving the look. So on the back of the case, we got some lifted up camera protection right here. That's a nice look. If you look on the side, it's nice and lifted up, guys, for your camera protruding, so it can cover those cameras that protrude out the back of the S24 Ultra. And then also it says redefine basic style. I wish that they would have had individual camera cutouts. I mean, I see they do have two camera cutouts here, but individual definitely be the way to go. But I like how they did try to raise it up. But at the same time, I feel like this little text right here is just a waste. A lot of times when you get in a carbon fiber case, you want it clean. You don't want any sands on the back of it and things of that nature. And then you got your X level branding down here at the bottom. Now, this case doesn't have MagSafe and things of that nature. Of course, you can wirelessly charge with that. And you know, I don't hold no cases back on the S24 Ultra because they don't have MagSafe, because the S24 Ultra natively don't have MagSafe. So it's not a big thing to me. This is not an iPhone. But I mean, just for the look alone, I say if you want the thin, minimal carbon fiber look, that's what you get here. No extras. Thin, minimal carbon fiber look. It's definitely minimal. It's definitely thin. And I see something on the sides, right? A lot of people don't like how the Pataka cases had the sides open. This one actually got the sides covered. So if you like that, you do got the sides covered. This is definitely a thin, minimal case. So it's not a lot of protection going on here. So take that and do what you want with it. I'm just letting y'all know. But you got the look, you got the thinness, you got the minimalness. You got raised up camera protection. You got all cutouts on deck. Now here it is on my S24 Ultra, guys. Looks good, honestly, on the titanium black. It meshes well with the camera cutouts because the colors don't clash. The gray go with like the twill colorway of this case right here, guys. It's nice and raised up to protect your cameras, as you can see. Not a bad looking case at all. I just wish that text wasn't right here. You can do the X level branding, but this text right here is kind of corny. Now, even on the sides, I'm kind of liking this, guys, how you got the natural button press, but you got the sides still covered. You can see a little bit of that titanium rail with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. All cutouts are on deck and where they supposed to be. Cutouts up top are on point. Now, with a case like this is very thin and minimal, guys, so you barely notice it on the device. It does have a little slick finish to it. It is a tiny bit slippery, but this is a very minimal case, so it's not adding no bulk to your device, and it does not have a raised lip. So if you're worried about your display, you definitely need to have a screen protector with this one. It's no raised lip. It's kind of flush with the front of the device. But this is the look that you get, guys. This is the cheapest carbon fiber case that I could find on Amazon. And this is the look that you get. I think a couple things that I like about this case, it does look aesthetically good. It doesn't have authentic texture though, but just for the look, you definitely got the look. I like how they raised up around the cameras, but I wish there was individual camera cutouts. And they definitely need to remove this little saying, because you can have the X level at the bottom, but the little saying is corny for real. But I got an authentic carbon fiber case for $13.99. I definitely put a link down in the description. If you just want that look and you just want a minimal case, this is something that you could pick up and save a few bucks. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment sections. $13.99 on sale right now. $15.99 for the regular. Link down in the description. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.